Okay, so now we are in the second lesson of the basic CSS, and it is wanting us to use a CSS selector to style elements. It says when you entered in our previous video, we entered this H2 element and we changed the font color to red. And it says you were styling the individual H2 element with inline CSS, which stands for cascading style sheets. That's one way to specify the style of an element, but there's a better way to apply CSS. It says at the top of your code, create a style block like this. So right here, there's a style block. You can see it has the closing tag and the opening tag. You always want to make sure you do the closing tag. Inside that style block, you can create a CSS selector for all H2 elements. For example, if you wanted all H2 elements to be red, you would add a style rule that looks like this. So in here, they add the style, and they create the H2 element, and they do the curly braces. And again, you can see that they're always closing with the curly braces, adding the semicolon, and then they have their closing tag. So for this challenge, they're wanting us to delete our H2 element style attribute. That's the one that we did in our last video. And instead, create a CSS style block and add the necessary CSS to turn all H2 elements blue. So we're going to go up here and we will delete what we did in the last video. And we will go and we will create a style, and they're wanting us to change all H2 element text color to blue. So we have to add the curly braces, and we're going to change the color to blue. And again, always add that semicolon, and then we're going to close that style tag. Okay, and that's it. We will go on to our next lesson.